Hello Mustangs, welcome back to Mustang News. I'm Caroline.
And I'm Piper. To kick off the episode, we're going to see teacher profile.
A welcome back from Miss Malott and a Winter Wonderland door decorating story.
And to close out the episode, we are going to see a code update and
a curriculum corner, and last but not least, the weather.
What are you looking forward to in the year?
The end.
I'm looking forward to spring break.
This year, I'm looking forward to spring break.
This year, I'm looking forward to practicing piano and doing art, and then I'm also applying for Ann Richards next year, and I've already finished most of my application, and I have teacher recommendations. And then I'm grinding a video game, and right now I'm bronze 1.
I'm looking forward to hanging out with my friends. Looking forward to having new classes this semester.
What I'm looking forward to in the year, I'm looking forward to seeing everybody get back on campus and starting to get some normalcy, feeling more comfortable with each other, and I think kind of getting a regular pace to the school year. I feel like we've had a lot of stutter stepping as we've been finding our way, and I think we're really close to kind of getting over the hill towards something where we can find a regular day-to-day and everyone starts getting more comfortable.
I'm looking forward to hopefully not failing any classes and not having to repeat a grade, which I haven't done before. I swear. Wait, no.
Looking forward to seeing family and friends when I go back to New York for the summer, and also doing fun new fun things out of school.
I'm looking to spending more time with my friends and looking forward to volleyball.
I'm looking forward to everybody getting healthy and us returning to school at the end of this school year, beginning of next school year, hopefully without our masks, and that everyone will be wearing their masks until we're told otherwise.
Fortnite.
I am excited for theater to be over.
I am looking forward to warmer weather.
School.
Nothing.
I am looking forward to, I'm hoping another school dance and going to more sporting events and supporting the students. And of course, spring break. That's going to be a big one.
I'm really looking forward to getting back to some normalcy and just spending time with family, friends, and colleagues.
Here's a welcome back from Miss Malott.
I think slides are stylish.
Jackets.
I think jackets are in style.
Hats.
I like baggy jeans.
Long sweaters to the Nike socks.
These.
Gold hinge skirts. I think jeans are in style.
Preppy!
I think that short shorts are in style.
I think tie-dye sweatshirts are in style.
I think layered necklaces are in style.
I think that leggings are in style.
Being cool and being a skater.
Aviator Nation.
Fortnite.
Everything.
Have you heard about the door decorating contest?
Let's see who won. Here at O'Henry, our student council organized a Winter Wonderland door decorating contest. The goal was for each grade aces to decorate their door in something that represented the holidays. We had everything from snowmen, Christmas trees, and gingerbread houses. And a winner from each grade was chosen by the student council. Our 6th grade winner was Miss Malone's class with a Winter Wonderland Sprite Cranberry themed door. In 7th grade, the winner was Mr. Pickney's class with a holiday mashup door. In 8th grade, the winner was Miss Hibbard's class with a Winter Wonderland themed door. And for the doors without an aces, the winner was Miss Hosel with a Christmas tree themed door. Now let's talk to some student council members about how the judging of the doors worked. The judging worked for the door decorating contest.
So basically, we had these cards, and we would go around and judge the doors. 6 would judge 7, 7 would judge 8, and 8 would judge 6.
And so basically, they would just add them all up and then choose which aces in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade was the best door. We all heard the winners on the announcements, but honestly, it was a really fun experience. We'd love to do it again.
Was that still
Let's meet Miss Moise.
This is my 17th year at O'Henry.
What do you teach?
Right now, just Texas history. I would say definitely open yourself up to new experiences, as you can be shy or hesitant to try a new elective or to join a club if your friends aren't doing it. But that's how you really grow as a person, and trying new things and really getting wonderful experiences. So I think it's awesome that we have so many kids doing band for the first time, trying new sports, All of those are really great things, and just really want to encourage people to do that.
My weekly screen time is 7 hours and 47 minutes.
My weekly screen time average is 5 hours and 13 minutes.
My weekly screen time average is 4 hours and 52 minutes.
My screen time is 6 hours.
7 hours and 22 minutes.
My weekly screen time was 4 hours and 22 minutes.
My weekly screen time average was 14 hours. Half of that, 7 hours, was Safari. 3 was Snap, and 4 was TikTok.
Average is 2 hours and 38 minutes.
My screen time is 2 hours and 13 minutes. My screen time is 2 hours.
No.
7th grade science dissected a frog.
Let's see how it went.
That's right, you can smell it in the air. It's time for a dissection. This time, 7th graders are dissecting frogs.
I'm going to borrow yours, Jane, hand it right back to you. Again, if you squeeze the side of it, and again, once you squeeze it a few times, it starts to loosen up a little bit, right? There you go. Look at that tongue. When you open this thing up, you can cut it even more. You can, okay, hold on, just let me show you. You can cut it almost to the arm. Just make a big snip, and then...
Up in the mouth.
What? Up in the mouth. Keep it over the Tracy.
What in the...
Oh, what's that? Like a little oval. So check out that tongue. Got it. Sure. So the overview of the frog, why we dissect the frog, it kind of encompasses or involves all the body systems that we've been covering in 7th grade science, gosh, over the last couple months. So that's why we do the frog, because we're able to pull out various organs from various body systems and compare them to our own organs. Well, honestly, frogs are easy to find for dissection purposes. They're cost effective. There are other animals in high school. A lot of biology classes will dissect pigs, but that's the main reason. They're easy to access. We can get a hold of them easy. Actually, sharper than you think. You think you're not looking at teeth, but the rim of a frog's mouth are what's called these, the vamarin teeth, there's the maxillary teeth. There's 2 layers, and it's like a sharp ridge. Look at the screen here and compare it as you're looking at the frog itself. External nares. What do you think a nare is for us? Nostril. They're referred to as nares. They're more flush with the body.
What did you think of the dissection?
It was fun. I mean, we cut a frog open, so it's really not much you can expect. So, yep.
Dissection.
I thought it's not for everybody, but it was very interesting to see some human-like functions.
Human-like?
Human-like.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Malott, your proud principal here at O'Henry. So glad we're at the semester 2. I hope everybody had a great winter break. We are back up and running with our academics and electives, and I know you're all doing all of your best work in your classes. Thank you for taking care of business this week and last. You make it easy to be the proud principal here at O'Henry when everyone does such a great job with mask wearing, cell phones being put up and out of sight, and getting to your classes on time. I also appreciate you all remembering to walk in the hallways, especially to and from lunch. It really makes a difference for our Mustangs who are in class during these transitions. Most days we will eat outside when the weather is nice, so thank you for taking care of our trash and remembering to stay seated. Next week we'll be talking about goal setting in our ACES class. At the beginning of the semester is a good time to set those personal and academic goals. Whether it's raising your grades, remembering to turn in all your assignments on time, reading a certain amount of books, or even trying a new sport or learning a hobby. Setting goals can be rewarding and life-changing when you achieve and do your best. Speaking of doing your best, congratulations to all of our A Honor Roll students last week. Let's add more students to the list this coming 9 weeks. Keep training your brain and doing your best work. Let's make it a great second semester, Mustangs. We are mighty and we are proud. Make it a great day to be an O'Henry Mustang.
What did you do for winter break?
Over the winter break, my family and I drove to New Mexico and we skied in Taos for 2 days, and then we drove to Santa Fe and we went to Meow Wolf, and we also walked along Canyon Road and looked at all the amazing art galleries.
So I went down to Ajijic, Mexico, which is about a 30-minute drive from Guadalajara. My friend was renting a house down there for a month, and so I stayed for about 5 days and came back, and everyone down there was wearing masks even outside, so it was kind of nice and felt safe.
Let's see, winter break, relaxed. Just spent time with my immediate family here in Austin, some family in San Antonio, and went to Houston also. My sister lives there, and that was about it. I didn't travel out of the state, but it was fun. Just being able to relax for a couple weeks.
I traveled to New Jersey to see my family for the first half. It snowed on Christmas Eve, which was fun. And then I got back here right before New Year's Eve, and I watched movies for New Year's Eve. That's about it.
I spent the time studying for my Texas real estate exam, and I passed!
Well, before Christmas, we went to New Orleans for a couple days, and then we came back and enjoyed Christmas at home.
COVID cases are rising in the world,
In the state,
and in our school.
let's get an update.
You can't forget
The weather.
Good morning, O. Henry. I hope you had a great week. And to get things started off, we have a new weather station here. It will tell us the current time and the temperatures outside. Right now, it is 62 degrees, and inside temperature is about 67. Now, look, Tuesday we had some reports of sleet falling, and I actually got to see it, little ice pellets. But this is a rare kind of sleet. We had a dry, big dry, air in the middle of the atmosphere, which when the snow falls, as it starts out high in the atmosphere, it falls, melts into rain, but then when it dries, it condenses the rain back into ice. Luckily, this ice didn't pile up on the ground and it melted right away. But for today, we're going to have a high of about 75 degrees and a low of 44, and this week's going to be kind of up and down. We're going to have a cold front come in tomorrow, which is going to get temperatures down to the lows of the 30s, and wind is going to pick up. We have wind today of about 20 miles per hour. Wind tomorrow on Saturday, we're going to have about 23 to 25 miles per hour. It's going to warm up back to the 60s, then to 70s, and we're going to have it decrease back down to the 50s by next week and into next Saturday as well. And I like weather.
Make it a great day to be an O. Henry Mustang.